But PJ says if I make a mess, I'll just do it here in this box. If something happens and I go. So he's just sitting in this box, waiting. Put food out, he won't eat it. He's got water, he's not drinking it. He's just sitting in the box. I put some little candle tea lights. Here's some light. He wants to get out and eat some food. So it's Friday, and PJ's still here. He's super weak. He's really skinny, but he's still here. Aw, P. He just likes to sit here in the morning sun that comes through the window. It warms him up a little. He always was a hot cat. He liked the sun. He's a little more vocal today. I think he's got more aches and pains and not feeling so hot. Being vocal and restless is usually a pretty bad sign. Vocalizing their discontent.